Lights, camera, action!
Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you.
The songs that made the cowboys dance, that's what we're singing about now. But first we're gonna bring out the little lady whose idea of moonlighting is to howl at the moon.
Every cowboy's favorite coyote?
The one, the only Harmony Howlette.
Hey!
Howdy, boys.
Hi, Harmony.
Oh, Harmony, I'd waltz across anything with you.
Well, how about Texas? When we dance together, my world's in disguise. It's a fairyland tale come true.
And when you look at me with those stars in your eyes, I could waltz across Texas with you.
Hey, Harmony, you ever hear a wolf whistle?
No, but I've seen a foxtrot.
Oh,
Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you.
Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms.
And I could waltz across Texas with you. And I could waltz across